Now, let's see how to find the exact value for tangent 345 degrees. We know 345 degrees is so close to 360 degrees. So intuitively, we should have a 360 minus 15. Then we got 345. Tangent has period 180 degrees. Then this is twice as much as 180, so 360 can be out. Then you have a tangent negative 15 degrees. Tangent is an odd function, so negative sign gets out. And then we see 15 degrees is just 45 minus 30 degrees. Now, this is a negative sign. We just leave it all the time outside. You see, all the time outside until the last step we deal with it. Now, tangent one angle minus another is tangent first angle minus tangent second angle. That's not enough. It has to be divided by 1 plus tangent 45 times tangent the second angle. That's the formula says. Okay, so upstairs, if here is subtraction, here will be subtraction. Downstairs is always 1 plus the product of those two terms upstairs. Tangent 45 degrees is 1. Tangent 30 degrees is 1 over radical 3. You see here, in the right triangle, if here is 30, opposite side will be 1, then hypotenuse will be 2. Adjacent will be radical 3. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so it's 1 over radical 3 for tangent 30 degrees. I always remember the picture. I'm not going to remember the value. If I have a picture, I have the value. Okay? So that's what I try to remember, all the trigonometric function values. All right. So tangent 45 is 1, subtract tangent 30 degrees is 1 over radical 3. Downstairs is 1 plus 1 times the product of 1 and 1 over radical 3. Okay, we try to get rid of this radical 3. Everywhere multiplied by radical 3. 1 times radical 3 is radical 3. And the upstairs radical 3, downstairs radical 3, they cancel each other. So you have a radical 3 minus 1. This is the red one. Downstairs, again, 1 times radical 3 is radical 3. Radical 3 cancel each other. You have a 1 here. This is negative radical 3 minus 1 over radical 3 plus 1. We got to rationalize this one by multiply the conjugate of denominator. Radical 3 plus 1, then here is negative multiplied by the conjugate. So radical 3 minus 1. And upstairs, downstairs, they are the same, so it's actually multiplied by 1. But when we do the radical 3 plus 1 multiplied by its conjugate, we know this is going to be an integer. Radical 3 squared minus 1 squared is 3 minus 1 is 2. So denominator we know we get 2 easily. Numerator is radical 3 minus 1 squared. You follow it. Your radical 3 squared minus negative 1 radical 3, negative 1 times radical 3. So you double it. Negative 1 times negative 1, you have a positive 1. Now you have a radical 3 squared, which is 3 plus 1. So you have a 4. And here is minus 2 radical 3. And then you see you cancel 4 with 2, you get 2. You cancel 2 with 2, you get 1. Remember, this negative sign goes to 2 tens upstairs. 1, 4 is divided by 2. That's positive 2, but you have a negative in front of it, so you get negative 2. This negative also gives to negative here in front of 2 radical 3. So you get positive. 2 will be cancelled. So final answer, radical 3 minus 2. You got to choose the one here. All right. I'll see you next time.